Hello everyone. Today we are attempting something interesting. Repairing a damaged J2 drone using a motor taken from another broken drone, the E88. During our last indoor flight, the drone got stuck in a curtain, and one of the motors completely stopped working. Now the big question is, can we revive it using parts from another drone? Let's find out. Before we begin, let me tell you, the J2 is actually a very good beginner drone. It has smooth control, stable hovering, and I've even flown it inside a small room comfortably. It comes with a removable modular battery, and even includes a spare battery. Charging time is around 30 to 40 minutes, but each battery gives roughly 5 to 8 minutes of flight time. So yes, short flights but decent fun. We first confirmed the issue. After powering it on and connecting it to the remote, 3 motors were spinning normally. But one motor was completely dead. That confirmed. The problem is definitely the motor. Now comes the careful part. To access the motor, we need to open all the screws. And trust me, these screws are tiny. Some of them can be really stubborn. Make sure you use a good quality screwdriver, correct size tip, and gentle pressure. Although the drone comes with a small screwdriver, some screws still resist. Here you can fast forward the unscrewing part. Also a small warning. The body material is lightweight plastic. Apply wrong pressure at the wrong place, and it may crack. So patience is very important here. To reach the motor, first remove the blade by unscrewing the top screw holding it to the shaft. Then open the motor housing. There are also 2 hidden screws. Don't miss them. Once opened, you can clearly see the motor unit inside. Now here is the interesting part. I had already removed a working motor from a broken E88 drone. But there is one difference. The E88 motor is slightly smaller in size. So naturally, I had some doubts. Will it generate enough lift? Will it balance properly? We'll find out in the test. I have already soldered the new motor onto the J2 drone's PCB board. Very important tip. Always connect the wires correctly. Before removing the old motor, either mark the wires, take a clear photo on your mobile. This prevents confusion later. Wrong wiring can reverse motor direction or damage the board. So be careful. Now we reassemble everything. Place the motor properly in its slot. Close the housing. Tighten the screws, but don't over tighten. Reattach the blade. Some parts were not recorded, like removing the motor from the E88 and initial testing. Because honestly, we didn't originally plan to make this video. Later we realized there are very few detailed repair videos on this topic. And many drone users, especially young enthusiasts, want to repair their drones instead of throwing them away. So we decided to document it. Now comes the moment of truth. Powering it on, connecting to the remote, and yes, all 4 motors are spinning, including the replaced one. That's a good sign. We will soon do a proper field test to check flight stability and lifting power. If you are interested, let me know in the comments, and I'll upload a full test flight video. Repairing a drone yourself not only saves money, it helps you understand how it actually works. And once you open a machine and fix it, your confidence level increases automatically. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. And if you have questions, drop them in the comments. Thank you for watching.